We are at 3495 Osburne Place, and boy, this is the cutest thing. I'm with Elizabeth. She's the seller. And how do you like your house?
I love my house. It's awesome.
Why'd you buy it?
I love the neighborhood. I love running. It's the perfect size house. It's awesome. I love it.
This is so cute because you've got this cute little screen porch. You won't believe how she's got it decorated. It is amazing. Everything about it is so fun. Great floor plan, don't you think?
Oh, it's awesome. It's perfect.
And one of the best things I love, besides you've got all this walking and it's all great, neighborhood friendly, is you've got a fenced-in backyard.
Absolutely.
Plus a garage.
Yep.
And you've got a little grilling area out there.
Little grilling area.
And so the little dog can run around, and it's easy, and it's safe, and it's wonderful. And anyway, we've just listed it, and I wanted y'all to know how much she loves her house.
I do.
So give us a call. You're going to love it too. 478-731-1302. Call JJ and with Sheridan Solomon.
Woo.
That's good. That's a take.